Ladies and gentlemen, I was touched at first in taking the oath simply because I went through this system. Lately we've developed so many leadership training aspects of our society, and for me personally, nothing has surpassed my humble beginnings. I was raised single-handedly by my mother. Little did I know that I had some intrinsic qualities within me that at a very early age of my life was sharpened and massaged by the Scout movement. It taught me high qualities of how to become a good person in the attitudes that we portrayed. Most of us joined the Fiji military forces. Some attended the St. John Ambulance Brigade, and some even went further by joining the Red Cross, mostly as volunteers. You were taught at a very early age to sharpen your skills and at the same time volunteer your services. We were not given any allowances, yet we were asked to provide the uniforms and everything that went with it to present ourselves as part of a great movement. Later on in life, the Duke of Edinburgh Award came into being with other qualities of guidance of our life into the very challenging roles that we have to play.
As you get ready to enjoy the first term school break, I wish to encourage guiders, rangers, and brownies to enjoy your school break, but at times to be mindful of your surroundings. Be alert to the dangers of drugs. Be good examples to your friends and family members. Avoid temptation to litter, and above all, eat healthy and maintain your mental and spiritual well-being. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and youth guiders and scouts, with these few words, I sincerely thank you again for your presence today. I also extend to the Chief Scout and the executive of the Fiji Scouts Association a productive annual meeting following this investiture ceremony. Vinakava, and may God bless you all.
Thank you, Your Excellency.